So, how long were you a waitress?
Sorry?
You wrote here you were a waitress.
Oh, 3 years.
Wow.
Yeah. Well, it was my family's restaurant. It closed, so...
So now you're here.
I'm sorry. I thought I was supposed to be meeting with Marge. Isn't she a grown-up?
She's the store manager, yeah, technically, but she's on her honeymoon in Boca Raton, so I'm the interim manager while she's out.
Right.
So, Lacy, some good news and some bad news. The good news is you got the job.
Thank you so much.
Well, you were the only applicant, so it's not. Anyway, the bad news. The bad news is you have some pretty big shoes to fill.
Oh no.
Seriously.
Oh.
Our last bagger was amazing. Here you go. Now this, I'll be keeping until the end of the day.
Why?
We just want to make sure you're Norman's material.
But you said that I got the job.
That may have been a bit premature of me. Not everyone's cut out to be a bagger, so we'll see. Oh, Todd, could you come here a second? Todd, Lacy, Todd.
Is this Jared's replacement?
Well, no one could replace Jared, but yes, technically she would hold the same position.
Got it.
Could you give her a quick tour and introduce her to Trish?
Yep.
Great, I'll let you guys get to it. And, Lacy, end of the day.
So that's the bread aisle, and this is the personal, so like TP, soap, tampons, whatever.
Should we, like, stop them?
What? Why? We call this aisle Lover's Lane. It's where all the teenagers go during the summer to make out. Keeps them cool.
What's that?
That's the wall of respect. Yeah, that's Jared. He was the previous bagger.
Yeah, Bob mentioned him.
He was just the best. Like, straight up, he was the best employee any Normans has ever had.
Yeah?
Yeah, like he had it all. The looks, the charm, the technique. The number of customers like tripled when he started working here.
What technique?
The bagging technique? I wouldn't worry about it. Trish will teach you.
Well, where are the other employees of the months?
Took him down. No one compares to Jared.
So Trish, Todd told me that there was like a whole technique for bagging. He actually said that you would teach it to me. So, you know, if you have a moment. So Jared seemed like
I wouldn't go there.
I'm sorry?
Look at you, rolling up in here trying to replace the best man.
I'm not trying to replace
Joke's on
anybody.
you. Because no one can replace Jared. No one can even come close.
So what happened to him anyways?
He quit.
Couldn't hack it as a bag boy?
Jared was the best bagger this world has ever seen. It's just too bad med school got in the way.
That's the problem, Gabriel. You don't listen to me.
I listen to you all the time, okay? Actually, that's why to go and start seeing Dr. Weinberg again.
Oh, boo-hoo. Does Dr. Weinberg know you ruined everything? God, I have to do everything myself. You know, this is exactly what happened on Thanksgiving. You never learn.
Okay, that was your fault. Have a nice day.
You got lucky this time. Go put that lean cuisine back.
What are you doing?
lunch with a view. You learned a technique yet?
No, I think Trish hates me.
Well, she was pretty attached to Jared. Like low-key think she was in love with him.
Well, you all were a little obsessed with him. It's kind of weird.
You know what, Lacy? I wish you had met Jared. Maybe he would have inspired you not to be such a jerk.
You find everything okay today?
Yep.
You done messed up, rookie mistake.
What did I do?
You put the strawberries before the beets. You done messed up.
Lacy, could I see you in my office? So, Lacy, today was interesting. It was kind of rough, would you agree? It was kind of a rough day, right? And it kills me. It just kills me that it wasn't a smooth transition, you know? And Lacy, this is my least favorite part of the job, but I'm afraid that we're just gonna have to... What?
Sorry, Bob. Some lady's claiming that her ice cream cone was partially eaten.
What? Another one?
I know, right? Crazy. You want me to go check the cameras or something?
No.
It's really no big deal. I can just go back there.
Don't. I mean, it's...
But someone's stealing it. Look, I'm just gonna go back there and check.
Wait, Todd. Actually, this would happen a lot at my old job. You would think that the problem was happening in the store, but actually it was almost always the problem with the distributors. So, best thing to do is probably contact the company. No need to mess with the cameras.
Thank you, Lacy. I will get right on that. In the meantime, Todd, just give the woman a store credit, okay?
Okay.
Well, Lacy, turns out you just might be Norman's material after all.